Well, Tony's going out to a monster truck show in Georgia. Had to show up, get some laps in, get some ride time underneath his belt. Been a little while since he's been out on the track, so Champ's got to get his time back on the seat. Get out there playing on the jumps, get used to riding again, get his little bit of wear out so that he's good to go for Friday and Saturday Georgia monster truck show. Granted, the monster truck shows are more of a flat track run than a motocross run, but if you're going to be training, you might as well be doing motocross training. Nothing going to be harder than running laps on a motocross track, beating the living snot out of yourself. And of course, for a little bit of fun, he had to break out the freestyle ramp, hit that thing a few times. So this video is going to be him doing a bunch of laps, hitting a bunch of the different jumps, different views, different shots. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, throw a comment, let me know what you guys think of this kind of stuff. Remember, we need people commenting, let me know. Interactions with the videos help, along with watch time. So, this KTM 450 SX quad has been the championship bike. This is the OG. This is not any of his newer ones. This is the original KTM he got years ago. I'm gonna jump off here, let you guys listen to this motor run. Remember, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comments. Let me know. Make some noise down in the comments.